our duck is going to be coming to room temperature. And I'm going to show you how to get this beautiful duck skin. It'd be better if I had it dry before I slice it. How to get this beautiful duck skin super crisp and delicious. And we start just by running our knife through the skin, not cutting into the flesh, just cutting through that skin to make a crosshatch pattern. So once we've got our cuts one way, then we're just coming across the other way. And this is just going to make sure that all that gorgeous duck fat can render out of that skin. Now once that's done, just pop it in a cold pan, skin side down, and leave it to come to room temperature. Cold start, about 5 minutes until that skin is nice and golden. And as the fat starts to render out, it's best to drain it off. I'll show you what I mean once it gets hot. So as our duck fat starts to render, we need to pour that off. Save it if you like. You can make beautiful duck fat potatoes with it. That's been about 4.5, 5 minutes. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, we turn that over. We turn the heat down now to medium. And depending on the thickness, that's going to take another 7 to 10 minutes for medium rare. We'll use a digital probe as we get closer so that we can check the temperature. I want it to come up to about 55 degrees for medium rare. So we can just keep an eye on that. But our duck is just between 55 and 60, which is what I want. To pop that onto a plate, skin side up, and we'll pop it aside to rest in a warm place. Now, I like mine on the rare side of medium rare. I think I've taken this a little further. Yeah, that's definitely medium. So if you wanted it pinker than that, definitely 55 degrees. I let this get to 60.